Because of trade tensions, I believe some of these stocks are currently quite active at the moment. We have COOT up 341%, PFAI up 97.91. Let's see, GNPX up 97.86, IBG up 73.91%, SEED up 63.34%. So let's see what's going on with COOT. Intraday high $5. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, okay, we don't have any news here. Australian oil seeds holdings. Okay, is it going to benefit from this? Okay, let's see. Intraday high. We had over here a 5.09. Interestingly, you can see the 3 period moving average is not trading at a huge discount to the current price. So that's uh, that's that's a good yeah. You don't want that huge spread. You don't want that huge spread because it's also acting as a support. Yeah, it's also acting as a support. 3.98. That's what the price is. That's what that value is. It's currently at 4.28. Okay, no news yet. Let's see whether we can find a news. It has to be because of trade tensions. Yeah, Trump has decided to place ban or something like. Okay, let's see what's saying here. Shares of agriculture, cooking oil, and soybean linked stocks are trading high after President Trump said the U.S. is considering terminating business with China related to cooking oil. Okay, yeah, so it is because of that. That's what we are looking at. What we are looking at right now. Yesterday, it actually gained 4.21%. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract this expansion from today, midday today, the 15th of October. Down projection says 0.9651. Okay, selling pressure is yeah, very strong. Is it accelerating or decelerating? Let's see. Okay, it's actually accelerating. Yeah, because obviously, this is its peak. By the time it's getting to the peak, it's fizzling out. It's fizzling out. So here, it's picking up some momentum to see if we could drive up the stock. So what is just indicating that deep buying is going on. Deep buying is going on right now. In terms of projections, we have 5.08. Dare we try to project further? Are we crazy for doing that? We could just add a brief touch to that. Add another projection to the current price of 5.09. So we do five. So I mean current upper projection. Sorry, current projection of 5.09. 5.09. You subtract this is 3 or 2.97. We have 2.12 multiplied by 1.61 if Fibonacci extension level. We have 3.4. Add that to current price of 4.22. We have 7.65. So we have 7.65 just additionally 7.65. Yeah, 7.65. Okay, on top of the 5.09. Okay, let's see what we have for PFAI. Okay, up 97.1%. Intraday high in this session, 5.72. Yeah, it has to be the same reason. Okay, got no contraction, no extrapolation here. It's not doesn't has not been around that long. Projections are currently saying yeah, we have previous upper projections. We're saying 4.1. Okay, but there are also downward projections of 3.76, 3.19, 2.40. Not long ago, it had as low as 1.71, 1.76, 1.82. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, okay. Momentum is also increasing as well. People are also trying to buy the dip as well in the case of PFAI. So projections 4.1 below, that'll be an intermediate intermediate to 5.72. Okay, 4.1. We could also find further upper projection there for on top of 5.72. So we need to do is remove 2.69. Okay, we have three doors multiplied by 1.618. We have 4.9. Add that to 3.71. We have 8.61. Okay, 8.61 for PFAI. We have 8.61. Okay, okay. Let's see what the next is. GNPX. GNPX up 140.79%. Okay, penny stock. This will be enticing people. Let's see, intraday high 0.6130. Let's see, it should be going crazy here, being a cheap stock. Let's see what we have 0.59. It looks volatile. Looks aggression has to be very high here. It's surely, no doubt about that. Yeah, aggression. You can see tiny fraction, tiny lots going through. Tiny lots going through. Let's see what we have here. But it's liquid as well. Aggression, surely, but it's liquid. Yeah. Um, Aggression active. I can't say surely whether it's liquid. Um, yeah, aggression. Yeah, surely aggression and very active. Liquidity will mean okay. Yeah, it's quite liquid. Yes, you can see orders are going through at various prices, so liquidity is there. So broad participation is at play here for GMPX. Yeah, very fascinating. Really fascinating. Aggression, liquidity, everything all at play here. Yeah. And there's a good chance it may have a low float. GNPX. Okay, extrapolation is saying it's going to remain strong up till the close of today's trading session. Then we may see a contraction. Then the uptrend may resume. Okay, we have downward projection of 0.3625. Let's see, momentum naturally is expected to keep declining. Yeah, so right now, momentum. Let's see. There's a good chance it may be. It's not deep. It hasn't dipped based on what we have here on this 4 hour chart. It hasn't really dipped. Let's see whether it's increasing or not. Yeah, it's actually increasing. It has actually increased. Okay, so momentum is still very much in effect. Okay, it's accelerating. Is Let's observe for some time and see. Let's see what's going on. How active this is. Very active. 0.6247. Yeah, let's come back and see what the yeah, I could still maintain acceleration, not really increasing that much. So, what can we try to do in terms of projecting upper projections for GNPX? So, we take 0.3108 out of 0.3178. We have 0.3 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 0.49. We add that to 0.5. We have 1.06. So for GMPX, we'll have 1.06, 1.06. And we try again, zero point 0.3 multiplied by 2.61 at Fibonacci extension level. We have 0.78. Add that to 0.576. We have 1.36. Okay, it could exceed them, So 0.3 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. Add that to 0.58. We have 1.67. Okay, let's just pause at 1.67 and move on to other stocks. IBG. Let's see what's going on. Up 54.35. Not as cheap as the other ones. Intraday high $6. Not as cheap as GNPX. IBG. Okay, expansion is expected to remain in place up till tomorrow's pre-market session. Then after that, we may see a contraction. Down projections 3.76. Yeah, intraday high 6.6. Let's see whether we can see anything on the 1 minute chart. 3.43. We have here 5.95. Yeah, 5.95 is currently an upper projection. 4.16. Let's see what we have here. We have 5.95, 4.16. Okay. 5.95. Nothing beyond 6.6 over there. $5. So I mean 5 minute chart. 5.95 as well. Let's see. Yeah, we have 8.57, 7.81, 6.6. Yeah, 6.6 just played out again. This was it was initially initiated. When was that? As of early this month. Yeah, early this month. We had 6.6, 7.81, 8.57. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, so you got the projections now. Okay, let's return to the 4 hour chart and see what we have for SEED. Up 65.16%. Intraday high yesterday 3.18. $3.818. Okay, so it's got a rejection there, and okay, so the extrapolation is saying that the rejection may remain in place up till the close of Friday's trading session. As a matter of fact, saying it might continue all the way towards Wednesday, the 22nd of October. Okay, projections are saying 2.26 downward projection. We have already seen intraday high here of 3.18. Let's see whether they are attempting to buy this deep. Let's see what we have currently there. Everything's trending. Yeah, trending robustly. Let's see what we have. Okay, they're not buying the deep. Yeah, it's decelerating. Yeah, okay. It's a mix of things. They're not it's quietly it's just it's slightly decelerating. So selling pressures in effect on SEED. Yes, 3.18 is intraday high. Do we have any previous upper projections? Okay, well, while we're looking for that, down projections go as low as 2.12, 2.26, 1.88, 1.18, 1.02, 0.9266. Let's see whether we have anything to the upside. Previous, I mean, higher than a $3.3 and some fraction. 2.71, 2.6, 3.48, 3.31. Let's see what we have. 3.48, 3.31. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do we have anything in the 5 minute chart? Let's see. 2.08, 2.28. Yeah, we have 3.59, 4.21, 4.59. Okay, just see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.